Recently, government launched the National Cleaning Days. And also, did you know that when you sort your waste at source, it can generate income for you? Now, that and more is what we're going to be talking about on this episode of the MOH Lifeline Podcast. I am your host, Jolie, and together with my main panelist, Dr. Diana Atwine, who's the PS for the Ministry of Health. And Dr. Diana is very much passionate about this initiative, and today we are going to be digesting it so that the viewer who is there, you're able to understand the importance of getting out of your house and join with your neighbors and in your communities to clean. Dr. Diana, thank you so much for joining us today, and welcome.
Thank you, Julie. Thank you, listeners. Thank you for joining us.
Yes.
Today we are discussing a very important initiative that started last month, launched by the Prime Minister. And even this very Saturday, the Prime Minister will be in Chira, in Wakiso district. But this initiative is going to continue. And we really want everyone, and we encourage every citizen to get out on Saturday and be part of this program of government to make sure that we have a cleaner environment and a cleaner Uganda.
Yeah, thank you so much, Doctor. From a public health perspective, help us understand how the National Cleaning Days are very important to Uganda.
Basically, the cleaning of our homes, the cleaning of our environment, the cleaning of where we stay is extremely important, because it is not only creates a good environment to be in, but also it reduces on the occurrence of diseases. As you know, many of the diseases that we have, that we are grappling with in our facilities, are attributable to poor sanitation and hygiene. And so if we deal with that problem and we take that responsibility of cleaning in our homes, it will help us to have a clean environment, and it will reduce these diseases. Our main objective, really, of Ministry of Health coming up with this National Cleaning Days, it was because we want to reduce on the diseases that are affecting many of our people, especially the children. Children are mainly affected by diseases of poor hygiene. So these National Cleaning Days that we are going to have, it's not even a new thing. It's just because in Uganda we are not really implementing it, but other societies do that, and it is a culture. We want to build a culture of responsibility. We want to build a culture of ownership, and knowing that it is their responsibility. Now, I heard that when we started, some people are keeping rubbish in their homes.
They're waiting for the cleaning day.
They are waiting to throw the rubbish on the road because it is a National Cleaning Days. I think people don't know that is an offense in our Public Health Act. There is a section you can actually be charged if you hoard rubbish in your home, waiting to throw it on the road because of the National Cleaning Days. Actually, that is against the law, and people need to know that they don't have to wait for the National Cleaning Days to take their rubbish to the road. Today specifically, we are here to discuss the issue of sorting waste.
Yes.
Last National Cleaning Days, even prior to that, people had a habit of just lumping all the waste together.
Yes, that is kavera,
the bottles, food leftovers, the banana peels, all that, putting together the rubbish that rots and non-rotting, or what we call biodegradable and non-biodegradable together. And then they will just lump it in sacks and just throw it there. And then the people who come to collect garbage, they come and take everything. Then they take to Vuyala. And then when they reach Vuyala, you see all these people coming along to look for plastics because they want to go and sell. Now, the people who go to Uyala to look for plastics to take and sell are actually exposed so much to danger. They are sick, all that acidic and contaminated liquid that comes out of this rotten waste, it burns their skin.
Yeah.
When we went to Uyala last time, I noticed that really many of our people were sick because of going at the garbage place to pick this waste. They don't have to do that. That waste can be sorted. When we sort the waste, first of all, it reduces the amount of waste that is burdening the garbage collectors to take to where at landfill. So it reduces. Why? When you sort, when the plastics are sorted alone, the plastics, I mean Kavera, the plastic bags, I mean plastic bottles, any bottle that is of plastic, it may not be only water but other plastics. All those can be recycled. There are companies in Kampala and beyond that are looking for that plastic to buy it and take it and recycle. Therefore, by sorting, it is also helping you to know that you are contributing to a clean environment by not dumping those non-biodegradable commodities that spoil the environment, that block the channel, and become very, very difficult later to deal with. So by sorting and hand over to the people who need this plastic, they pay you. But secondly, you are reducing here on the amount of waste that you are going to give to the garbage collector who is coming to your home to take the garbage. Secondly, the biodegradable. And by the way, non-biodegradable, it's not only plastic.
Yes.
The non-biodegradable, we have metals, scrap, we have paper. We have those, the paper is biodegradable, but also there are people who are looking for that to buy. So if you are a kind of person who generates a lot of paper, a trash in form of paper, those also can be lumped together and you tie, and you ask those people who collect garbage, they will link you up to the people who want the paper, and they will pay, they will come and pay you.
Yes. And
you keep on disposing that in that way. Then the biodegradable, I'm talking about the things that rot.
Yes.
Here we are talking about banana leftovers, food leftovers, like in restaurants.
Yes.
In restaurants, they generate a lot of biodegradable waste.
Yes.
Because they have the food peels, all those kitchen remnants.
Yeah.
Those can be also packed together. Either you give to the garbage collector and they take it and they know how to process that waste, because that can be a source of manure.
Yes.
It can be a source of animal feeds. It can, even in your home, if you have a garden, a bigger place, you can even have a composite pit where you put that kind of waste. If you sweep your garden and you have dry leaves all over your grass, if you cut the grass and all that, all those are biodegradable because they rot, they dry and rot. So those ones you can put in the pit and cover, and that will generate even manure for you, which later you can put in your garden. Yeah. So you do not have to generate a lot of waste in that lump sum kind. And you do not need, because I have had, when we launched recently this initiative in Kulambiro, people started coming on my page on Twitter, and they're saying, oh, even us, we want.
They wanted you to visit them.
These
the dustbins,
garbage bins. That also we want. We can't give to everyone.
Yeah,
we gave to the people of Kulambiro as a seed because Kulambiro has shown really willingness to change, to do things differently. We want it to be a model village that can show other people what to do. But even in your home, you do not need to have sophisticated big
garbage bins. Yes.
Just designate big sacks, either Kadeya or polythene plastics, and you sort. And then when the garbage collector come, they know this one is plastic. Then the plastics is sold off. The metals, the scrap, all those things, or paper are sold off. That biodegradable is one that you can hand over, or you put, and then you reduce on the garbage that is going to landfill. What we are trying to do, and ladies and gentlemen, our main objective here is to see that we become responsible. We can only be responsible if we support the service providers in the urban centers to make sure that we manage our waste properly.
Yes.
The cleaning now is going to take root because we saw a lot of enthusiasm, and we really want to thank the population for being active. We were very happy, although some people were really making funny because I saw some people tied brooms on a board, and then they were moving.
They were just moving, not using the brooms, but rather
they were moving because they will use that as an excuse for them to evade cleaning. They tied brooms and then they just moved all over the place. So we know that they were
trying to make fun of the exercise, to make it fun so that people can actually enjoy it.
Ugandans are very interesting. So we saw a lot of enthusiasm, and we believe that also that enthusiasm is going to continue. But we need now to go beyond just cleaning. Cleaning is great, and we really want to encourage everyone to come out and clean. However, on a day-to-day basis, we need to talk about how we manage our waste, because we have seen even up to now the habit of throwing. Recently, I was driving on the road and I saw I was following a good car.
Citizens.
A good car. A Pajero was in front of me. And what did I see? I saw someone threw a bottle through the window. And it just fell in the middle of the road. And I was like, goodness me, how can this man looks to be responsible.
Now that comes to a mindset
issue. What should the villagers do? So please, let us be responsible. Apart from the cleaning, let us make sure that we manage our waste very, very well in a responsible manner. Another thing I want us to talk about today is the issue of burning waste. When I was talking to some people up country, how they manage their waste, how things were, they said, exercise was very good. We all went out, we cleaned. So I said, okay, when you cleaned, what did you do? They said, we burnt. I said, you did what? They said, we burnt. You burnt?
What exactly?
Plastics.
You burnt what
They
exactly?
collected everything, the bottles, the plastics, banana leaves, food, leftover, whatever, put together.
Caveras.
Cavera, everything. Now that is extremely, extremely dangerous. Ugandans who are listening to me, do not burn plastics. Plastic burning is extremely dangerous to our lives. When you burn a plastic, any plastic, be it Cavera, be it bottles, be it, anything, that
any
has
plastics.
It generates fumes, a chemical in the air. When that air has that chemical and you breathe it in, if you have a tendency of allergy, you can actually get asthmatic attack. If you breathe in that chemical continuously, if you have a habit of burning things, because I have seen some people, they have a whole heap of black things. They just keep on bringing every day they bring the rubbish, put there, they put fire.
Yeah.
If you have exposed yourself to that kind of fumes over time, those fumes actually lead to cancer. We have noted on the side of health that the respiratory diseases have increased more than 3 times in the last 5 years. Of course, partly because of COVID, but partly because of burning plastics in our air.
Yeah.
The pollution we are creating in the air because we are burning plastics is causing more people to get bronchitis, especially the elderly. It is causing lung cancer, and it is not only causing the air pollution, it is also destroying our environment. It has an impact on our ozone layer because these chemicals react and make perforation, let me say. Because this ozone layer, God created it to protect the sun rays.
Yeah, to protect us from
those extreme sun rays on our skin. Because we can easily get skin cancer. Now, if we continue to burn those plastics, they continue to kill that layer that protects the sun rays against our skin.
Yes.
The other thing, when we burn, the plastics don't really die. They don't. It's not like you burn a leaf.
You can't exhaustively burn it and
then it will remain. Those remnants that remain in the soil poison the soil. They kill the good bacteria that break down the like organic matter to generate manure. In those plastics, when they are making them, sometimes they put in mercury, they put in lead,
which are heavy metals.
These are heavy metals, and those are very, very dangerous metals. If you get contaminated with lead or mercury, those are heavy metals. They go into our bloodstream, and even the remnants of the plastics, when it rains, it is washed away and it goes into the water. And we drink those microplastics.
Oh, wow.
Okay? You can boil water from wherever, but microplastics are dangerous. They don't die.
Doctor, Ugandans have a practice of cooking in, matoke, put in kavera, then put on fire. And that is all over. And time and again you have come out to talk about this. Kindly talk to us about the dangers of that.
So the danger of heating plastics in any form, either through the steam like in cooking or heating like by burning, it is the same.
Oh yes.
It generates those chemicals. So before I go to the cooking of kavera, I was still talking about those microplastics. When they go in the water and you drink, those microplastics, they're microscopic. You can't even see them. They get even absorbed into our bloodstream, and you get kidney problem. Even metal, these heavy metals like lead and mercury, they cause kidney problem, kidney failure, liver failure, heart problems. So all those are things that we can avoid by not burning. Now, cooking with kavera is very, very dangerous. Ladies and gentlemen, our health educators, our health inspectors, please take note and go to the restaurants and make sure that you educate our people to stop using polythene papers around food. It is a serious source of poisoning. Using polythene bags over food and cooking with those polythene bags are poisoning our food, and people are eating poison on a day-to-day basis.
Wow.
Please do not eat food cooked in Kavera. Just know that you are causing danger. We are seeing many people that are coming with all these cancers. People have been asking, why is it that cancers are in the increase?
Mostly cancers are in the urban areas. Actually. Yes.
Cancers are on the increase because of how we manage our foods, how we cook our foods, how we fry and how we contaminate our foods with all these chemicals and plastics that are actually causing serious damage to our systems. Please, if you are operating a restaurant and you have been using polythene bags, please desist. Desist putting drinks in polythene bags. We have seen even people selling hot stuff in polythene bags, even juice, even all those things, because all these plastics have they have microplastics that can easily contaminate our food, especially when they are heated. So please desist from doing that.
Yes. Most importantly, the other time when you were in Kurambira market and educating people about waste sorting, the sentiments were, even if we sort, when the garbage collectors come, they will mix everything, put on the truck, and then go.
No, we are engaging, and the last time we had a conversation with Kampala City Authority.
Yes.
They are engaging also the garbage handlers to know. By the garbage handlers, if they came and they found the things are sorted, they also know that they for example, plastics, they would be very glad. You saw when we sorted in Kulambi.
Yes.
People came and bought immediately because they are looking for it. So all people need to know is that there are people who are looking for those plastics and they want to buy them.
Yes.
So just make it put it aside and they will take it. The garbage collectors, once they find that your waste is sorted, they will definitely take it. And we are also engaging them within their trucks or as they are collecting. They need also to know where to put what, because it is also in their interest that they take garbage that is sorted. And at one time we are going to get to a level where if your garbage is not sorted, I'm telling you abroad, in some of the countries where I have been to, if your waste is not sorted, no one will pick it.
Nobody can touch it.
No one. You will just get stranded with it in your house. So we are going to get to that level where we first educate our people, but the time is going to come when people who are collecting this waste must insist that if you don't sort your waste, then nobody will be able to pick your waste. But when you sort your waste, it makes it easier for the garbage collector. Make sure that they take the sorted one and they make use of this garbage. Because if it is biodegradable, it can easily turn into manure.
Yes.
It can be easily processed into animal feeds. It can easily, be put in a pit and covered, and you will not have any danger to the soil. It is only the unsorted waste that is really a danger to our community, our society, our soil, our agriculture, our town, our drainage systems. If we do that, we'll not have any more drainage system and flooding of Kampala and the surrounding cities.
Yes. The other time when we were cleaning, the inaugural cleaning day, most people who are passing, people who are at their, balconies looking at us, some were just on the road, and people are like, this is a government issue. But what is government? Where is government? Isn't government you and I?
No.
So, Doctor, how are we going to make sure that Ugandans appreciate this, first of all? They take it up and it becomes part and parcel of our daily way of life.
Yeah, of course, people are looking at us like, like you watch in the zoo. You see animals passing, and then everyone was
who
staring.
Are these people?
But that is going to change because we expect everyone. I think for the start, that was expected anyway. For some people to stand and watch and just see
like
entertainment. But that entertainment is going to end, and we want everyone to get out of their apartments and their bed and their comfort zone to go out and clean. Now, the statutory instrument is coming out. Actually, we are just waiting for the final signature and gazetting. That statutory instrument very clearly puts the responsibility of cleaning on every citizen. Every citizen above 18 years up to 65 must go out. But even 70, if I have energy and I am willing, no one would stop me. If I am 70 years old, they can go and clean. Even below 18 years, they are saying if they are willing, they should go out, because it is also, we are inculcating this culture into our children. So want even the children who can go out and clean to clean with adults, because that way we are bringing up a younger generation with more alert and more sensitized cohort. But the statutory instrument is very clear now, because it states even the penalties for not cleaning. If we catch you, you are just there, you are not cleaning, the penalty is very clear. You can serve a sentence of 2 months in prison. Or you can serve a community service for quite some time. And the penalty is listed according to the offenses in that statutory instrument. So we are saying that we don't want really to use the stick on people, because we believe this is a very good initiative for everyone. There is no reason why people be forced to clean
their own garbage.
Those who are just going to watch us, like people in the zoo, who are encouraged to come and participate, because the law might catch up with them. And once that statutory is signed and gazetted, it will come in force. So this week, hopefully, we will be able to finalize. But I wouldn't really want to dwell so much on statutory instrument. I want to dwell so much on encouraging and getting people on this initiative and come through. Don't stand, don't pretend, don't carry the brooms on a car and you drive all over Kampala that you are going to sweep. You are from Chira and you are going to Kansanga, and then you drive and you put you put the broom
in a
on a border, then you drive. So we don't want to see that, but we think that as we go along, it will be embraced. I don't see the reason why we can't embrace the National Cleaning Days.
Doctor, this coming Saturday is the second National Cleaning Day. What should we expect? Maybe your call to action so that, we take this up as a nation.
I think really I just want to emphasize 3 main things. First is to take ownership of this initiative, so that it is no longer a government initiative. It is our initiative,
a people's initiative.
As a people, as every citizen residing in Uganda. Number 2, the take home is, we want to say, when you generate this waste, ensure that you sort it, the biodegradable or the one that rots, the one that does not rot, you separate. The remaining, can be as less as little as. Don't throw it on the road.
Yes.
No. Kampala City Council has been actually telling us that it is from home to truck.
Yes.
So bring your garbage you have collected. If there is a truck nearby, take it there, but in a sorted way. Let it be sorted. In polythene, you can get polythene, you can get bodega, and
the sacks.
Yeah, those sacks, and you put non-biodegradable and biodegradable. It will make very, very easy the work of these people who are collecting this garbage.
Yes.
The last bit, do not burn waste. You may not be in the urban place where these people can easily come, but if you are in a rural setting, make sure that you're biodegradable, you put in the garden, dig whatever, put it there. The plastics, don't burn them. Get a sack, put them there. Even if they are like 20 sacks, keep them there. Look for the number of these people who want plastic. They will come and pick it and take it. Do not burn plastics. Do not use kavera to cook food. That is a dangerous issue. It is poisoning the food we eat, and it is causing us to have many diseases, including non-communicable diseases like cancer. Please desist. All those that are cooking in the restaurants, please get into a habit of buying banana leaves to use to cook our food. Those banana leaves are the safest way to prepare matoke and kawunga, and not or rice, and not polythene bags. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Doctor. And we understand that we can't go beyond this on this podcast, but we appreciate the fact that you people keep engaging with us, and any feedback, we appreciate it. And next time when we come here, we'll be talking about another pertinent issue, another health concerning issue. And next time, I want to thank you for being part of the show.